look carefully at your rule and say, what type of advertising is a specific rule talking about? Because many of the rules have phrases like this in them. They'll have the section called public advertising. A lawyer may advertise services through public media. And then they'll go on to tell you what you can and cannot do. The point here would be is we're never going to be dishonest about this. Okay? That's not what I'm saying. That's not what I'm about. But lots of times what the rules are talking about is what shows up in the public. For example, let's say you had a rule in your state that said you can't use verdicts and settlements as in any of your advertising. You would look at the rule and say and find out whether the rule applies to this type of public advertising. So what am I going to put on my website? What am I putting on TV ad? What am I putting on the yellow pages? But many of these rules either apply only to the public or they very specifically, like Florida says, you know, in part these rules don't apply when someone has requested information. All right? So while a state might prohibit, I think wrongly, but they might take the position of prohibiting statements about verdicts and settlements, right, in your public advertising, how hard is it to say, if you'd like information about my verdicts and settlements, click here and ask for it, and I'll mail it to you.